bike travels a distance of 360 kilometer with certain speed. Now we don't know the speed, so consider it as x. If the bike travels 25% of the distance, so 60 into 25 means 1 by 4, 90. Your distance here is 90 at the speed of 60% of the usual speed. So here the speed will be 60% means 3 by 5 of usual speed x. So your speed is 3 by 5x. Second, 80% of the remaining distance. So remaining distance means it's 90, right? 360 minus 90, 270. Now 80% of 270. 80% means 4 by 5. Got it? Then you get, if you multiply 54 into 4, you get 216. And at the speed of 80% of the usual speed. So your speed will be 80% means 4 by 5 of x. Now next, and the remaining distance. Now the remaining distance at 90%. So the remaining distance means 360 minus, we got 90 and 216, right? So you get 54. So your distance here will be 54, and at 90% of the usual speed. So speed will be 90% of the usual speed. So 90% means 9 by 10x. So this is your third one. So overall, they divided into 3 distances. Now the question says that if the total time taken by the bike is 8 hours, then find the usual speed of the bike. Now we have to find the usual speed of the bike. Now we all know that distance by speed is equal to time. So we have to use this formula. And the time is already given, that is 8 hours. So now the first distance what we got was 90. That means distance by speed, which means 5x plus 216 by plus 54 by the speed, and the time is given, which is 8. Now from here we will total all the distance, speed. So if you convert it, then you get 5 by 3x plus 4x plus 54 into 10 by 9x. Now you can cut them. 330, so 150 by x plus 4, 5, so 270 by x plus 96, so 60 60 by x. Now if you do LCM, that means this will be your x, and plus 150 to 70 and 60, you get 480. Okay. You can cut 8, 60. So your x is 60. That means your usual speed is 60 kilometer per hour. The next question. Car A starts from Chennai towards Delhi. So this is Chennai and this is Delhi. And so A starts from Chennai towards Delhi, and then B starts from Delhi towards Chennai at the same time, and each car meets after 7 hours. So they meet after 7 hours. The speed of car A is 20% less than the speed of car B. That means 20% is 1 by 5, right? And it says less. That means 5 minus 1 is 4. So your A will be 4x and your B will be 5x. Their speed. So this is their speed. If the difference between the speed of cars A and B is 13 km/h, then find the distance between Chennai and Delhi. So the difference between speed of cars A and B, that means 5x minus 4x, you get 13 km/h. So 5x minus 4x is 1x, then 13. So we can now from here, you got the x13. Now we can find the speed of A. So your A was 4x, that means 4 into 13, 52 km/h. And next B, how much you got? 5x. Which is 65 km/h. And after that, the question says that find the distance between Chennai and Delhi. Now we have to find the distance. Now you know the formula of distance, that is speed into time is equal to distance, right? So we got the speed. How much is the speed? 52 plus 65. 117. So your speed 117 into time is already given 7 hours. And so if you multiply, you get 819 kilometer. So your distance is 819 kilometer.